Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve TikTok call connecting problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or airplane mode just few seconds. Check internet connection on your phone. Tap on hold TikTok. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage and tap on delete. Click on search bar and search TikTok. Update TikTok app if available Play Store or App Store. Hopefully in this way you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.